So you build your first website using Cloud Code or Cursor. That's genuinely exciting. Most people never do it. But now you've hit a wall every first-time builder hits. How do I actually get this thing on the internet? You've got a folder on your computer, it works locally, but how do you turn that into a real URL anyone in the world can visit? That's exactly what this video is about. All your options, which one to pick, how to do it. And by the end, your site will be live. I'm Mario, this is AI by Mario, let's get into it. Real quick, what is hosting? Right now your website lives on your computer, only you can see it. Hosting means putting your files onto a computer somewhere in the world that is always on and always connected to the internet. When someone types your URL, their website goes to that computer and shows your site. That's it, that's hosting. Now, three best free options. Let me walk you through each one. Option number one, Netlify, my top recommendation for most beginners. Here's the entire setup. Go to netlify.com, create a free account, drag your website folder onto the page, done. Your site is live with a real URL in about 60 seconds. You get a free URL, something like randomwords.netlify.app. Not the prettiest, but it works and you can share it right now. Free HTTPS included, that's the padlock in your browser. Secure out of the box. And if you connect it to GitHub, every time you push an update, your site updates automatically. No re-uploading, no manual steps. Best for plain HTML, CSS, and JavaScript sites. Portfolios, simple sites, anyone who wants to be live in under 2 minutes. Option number two, GitHub Pages. If you're already using GitHub, this is the obvious choice. Completely free forever. No trial, no limits, no expiry. You create a GitHub repository, a folder in the cloud for your code. Upload your files, turn on GitHub Pages in the settings. Your site goes live at your username.github.io. Slightly more steps than Netlify, but once it's set up, it just works. And because it's GitHub, every change is version controlled. You can always go back to an earlier version. Best for portfolios, open source projects, anyone learning GitHub at the same time. Option 3, Vercel. This one is specifically great if you build with React, Vue, or Angular. Any modern JavaScript framework, connect your GitHub account. Pick your repo, click deploy. Vercel builds it, optimizes it, and puts it live. Every push to your code deploys automatically. Free 3-year, you get 100 gigabytes bandwidth per month. Free SSL global, your site has access everywhere in the world. Best for React, Next.js, and Angular. Quick guide on which to pick. Plain HTML, CSS, or JS site, Netlify. Drag and drop, done. Want to use GitHub and learn it properly? GitHub Pages. Build with React or a framework, Vercel. Now, custom domain names. Important thing to understand first. Your hosting and your domain name are two separate things. Hosting is where your files live. Your domain is just the address that points to those files. You can have a free hosting and a custom domain at the same time. Step 1. Buy a domain from Namecheap or Cloudflare. Costs about $10 to $15 a year. Step 2. Connect it to your hosting. All three platforms let you add a custom domain for free. Go into your dashboard, add your domain. They give you DNS records, instructions for the internet. Copy those into your domain settings. Wait about 30 minutes. Your custom domain is live. Netlify and Vercel both walk you through this step by step. You don't need to memorize anything. When should you actually pay for hosting? Honestly, not for a while. Free is fine until you're running a real business with customers. If you're getting thousands of visitors a day, you need databases, user logins, or e-commerce for a portfolio, a personal project, or something to show people what you can do. Free hosting is absolutely fine. Don't pay for something you don't need. Quick recap. Plain HTML site, Netlify. Drag and drop, 60 seconds. Very easy. Using GitHub, go to GitHub Pages, free forever. React or framework Vercel, connect repo, click deploy. Want a real domain, Namecheap or Cloudflare. About $10 a year. Connect it to your hosting for free inside the dashboard. Drop a comment. Which option did you go with? Or if you're stuck anywhere, ask me. I read every single comment. Share this with anyone who just built their first website and needs this next step. Subscribe for more plain English tech every day. See you in the next one.